I'm jammed. Oh.
Jesus, are you kidding me? God damn it, Jack. Come here. I have no clue what to do with this.
Did it help me to my eyes?
I gotta see what to do, dingling.
Oh my God.
God, I told you not to mess with it. Choking hazard, I don't know what to do if it's in your eyes. God! Don't rub them. Where's the stuff on this, Jack? God, don't microwave it, Jack. And do you have another one of these tubes?
No.
Not to mention, it's all over your awesome shirt.
That'll come out.
Nah, I doubt it. Don't rub your eyes. God. Yeah, no shit. I said don't microwave it. Don't screw around. What you do with a beautiful shirt on and get it in your eyes. Am I ever right about anything, Jack? Am I ever right? Can you ever listen? Get this off.
Help me! Dad!
I'm trying, Jack. I don't know what to do.
It's in my fucking eyes!
Okay, Jack.
Ah!
You seem fine, and now you're putting water. I didn't say put water. Contact with eyes or skin may cause temporary discomfort. In case of eye or skin, flush with water for 15 minutes. So just sit there and keep flushing away with water. So you knocked Mom's spider thing down too. Unbelievable. Yeah, we're good at listening.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm sure you're sorry now, Jack. You can always be sorry after.
Where's my fucking goodbye?
Hello. I'm sorry I started to dial that. I didn't think I dialed it. No, I had a son that got the stuff in his eyes, and then I finally found the directions of what to do for it. So I'm okay. No. My name's John. Oh, just keep flushing it. Thank you. Bye. Keep flushing.
I'm so sorry, Dad.
Yeah. Wonderful.